Hello students, this is Mrs. Haller, and today we're going to be talking about animal classifications. How do we classify or organize animals? First, let's talk about a species. What is a species? Well, a species is a group of animals, plants, or other living things that all share common characteristics and that are all classified as alike in some manner. Here are a few examples of species of animals. As you can see, many of these are actually endangered. How many types of animal species are there in the world? I think you'll be surprised to learn. Scientists believe there to be over 8.7 million types of species in the world. Of that number, approximately 6.5 million species are found on land and 2.2 million species in the water. Animal species can also be classified into different kinds of groups based on similar characteristics. Today we're going to talk about 6 groups. In general, animals can be divided into invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates do not have an interior skeleton. They are often found with an exoskeleton or even something different like as in a snail. The vertebrates are broken into 5 major groups. As you see here, we have fish, which spend their entire lives underwater. They have gills and breathe underwater, and they lay eggs. Amphibians are unique in that they often start their lives underwater and then their body changes to develop lungs so that they can breathe out of water. They often have a slick surface to their skin and they also lay eggs. Reptiles are a little different. They live on land. Although many of them lay eggs, a few sometimes will actually deliver live births. They are covered in a scaly skin and are cold-blooded, so that they need to have their environment. They depend on the environment to keep their bodies warm. Birds are covered in feathers. They have beaks, 2 legs, and can fly. Mammals, just like us, have a backbone. They are often on 2 or 4 legs, and they are what we call warm-blooded, that our body can actually control the temperature of our body. They have fur or hair, and the mothers can produce milk for their young. Thanks for watching.